50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 26. Graciousness. Lord, help me to be gracious and appreciative towards others. Teach me to show gratitude for their presence in my life. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Stay focused on your goals, even when it gets tough.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Choose eco-friendly cleaning products and reduce your use of harmful chemicals.
For unity for a happier world.
In unity, we can create a world where everyone has access to quality education and healthcare.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a chance to leave behind a legacy of love, compassion, and kindness.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.